In front of me is ACER Iconia Tab P11, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. Begin by selecting two apps you wish to use in this view. Then launch both in the background. Now access background apps and click on Split under your app you wish to use on the right side of your screen. Then tap on the second one. As you can see now, I can use both at the same time. To go back from this mode, drag one of your apps all the way to the right or to the left and hit Home button. You can also swipe both in the background. Like that. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!